Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 BMW R9T Pure. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 BMW R9T Pure with 2,903 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with ASV levers, an NRC rear fender eliminator kit, driven grips, and LED rear turn signals. Powered by an 1170cc two-cylinder boxer engine, the R9T puts 110 horsepower and 88 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.8-gallon fuel tank, the R9T has a 150 to 200-mile range. It has a 30.9-inch seat height and a 489-pound wet weight. It should be noted that in New Hampshire this bike would fail because of its rear turn signals, but in New York this is not a problem. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are chips on the engine and scratches on the left mirror housing. This bike has a toolkit and one key. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.